My automated Forex system made $1,200 last month while I spent time with my family. No stress, no constant chart checking, and definitely no sleepless nights. I'm not here to sell you anything, just showing you exactly how automated Forex trading works, my real results, and how to get started the right way. Understanding automated Forex trading. A trading robot is like having a super smart friend who never sleeps and follows your exact trading rules. Once you set it up, it watches currency prices 24/7 and makes trades based on the rules you give it. The best part? It doesn't get scared when prices drop or get greedy when they rise. I started with zero coding knowledge, and now I run 3 different automated systems. The computer does all the heavy lifting, watching multiple currency pairs, calculating perfect entry points, and managing risk on every trade. Your trading bot can spot opportunities across 28 currency pairs at once. When I tried doing this manually, I could barely keep up with 2 pairs. Plus, it reacts to price changes in milliseconds, way faster than any human could. Setting up your first bot. The setup process is actually pretty simple. First, you'll need MetaTrader 4. It's free, and most traders use it. I'll put a link in the description for the most reliable version. The whole installation takes about 15 minutes. Next, you'll connect it to a broker. I use 3 different brokers for safety, but you only need 1 to start. Make sure they allow automated trading and have servers close to you for faster execution. Here's the fun part. You don't need to write any code. There are pre-made strategies you can download and customize. I started with a simple trend-following bot that made 5 to 10 trades per day. Basic strategy types. Let's break down the 3 easiest strategies to automate. Trend following is like jumping on a moving train. Your bot spots when a currency's price is really moving in one direction and hops on for the ride. Mine looks for trends that last at least 4 hours and uses 3 different ways to confirm the direction. Range trading is for when currencies bounce between 2 prices, like a ping pong ball. Your bot buys at the low price and sells at the high price. I made $300 in my first month just using this strategy. Grid trading sets up a bunch of buy and sell orders at different prices. It's like casting a wide net. You catch profits whether the market goes up or down. This was actually my first profitable strategy. Making your bot safe. The number 1 rule: never risk more than 2% of your money on any trade. My bot automatically calculates the correct trade size. If I have $5,000 in my account, it won't risk more than $100 on a single trade. Always use stop losses. These are like emergency exits for your trades. My bot closes trades immediately if they lose more than a certain amount. This saved me during some crazy market moves. Here's a secret many don't talk about. Start with just 1 currency pair. I only traded EUR/USD for my first 3 months. Once that was working well, I added GBP/USD and USD/JPY. Testing your strategy. Never put real money in before testing. I spent 2 months testing my first strategy on a demo account. It seemed boring at first, but it saved me from some really bad mistakes. Keep a record of every trade your bot makes. I use a simple spreadsheet to track win rate, average profit, and the biggest losing streak. This helps you spot problems early. Run your tests during different market hours. My first bot worked great during London trading hours, but lost money during Asian hours. Now I have it trade only at specific times. Real numbers time. In my first month of real trading, I made $240 from a $3,000 account. That's an 8% return. The second month was better at $380, but the third month I only made $150. Most automated strategies aim for 5 to 15% monthly returns. Anyone promising more than that is probably taking too much risk. My best month ever was 22%, but that was rare. Don't expect to get rich quick. My goal is 8 to 10% per month, and I withdraw anything above that. Last year, I averaged 7.8% monthly returns across all my strategies. Starting out right. First, Download MetaTrader 4 and open a demo account. Practice with fake money until you're comfortable. I blew up 3 demo accounts before I got it right. Learn one strategy completely before trying others. I spent 2 weeks just watching my trend-following bot work before making any changes. It taught me a lot about how currencies move. Start with $2,000, $5,000 in real money. That's enough to make it worthwhile, but not so much that losses will hurt too badly. I started with $3,000 and added $1,000 each month from my day job. The growth game. Small wins add up fast. My first bot made just $5,000 per day, but that's $150, $300 per month. After 6 months, I was making enough to cover my car payment. Compound interest is your friend. I reinvested all my profits for the first year. That $3,000 account grew to $7,200 just from compounding the returns. The real power comes from running multiple strategies. Now I have 3 different bots trading different currency pairs at different times. If one struggles, the others usually make up for it.
Weekly checkup. Spend 30 minutes every weekend reviewing your bot's performance. I check 3 main things: win rate, profit per trade, and maximum drawdown, biggest loss streak. Update your bot's settings if the market changes. Sometimes currencies get more volatile, and you need to adjust your trade size or stop losses. I do this once a month. Keep a close eye on news events. Big economic announcements can cause wild price swings. My bots automatically stop trading 1 hour before major news. Looking ahead. Markets change all the time. What works today might not work next month. I update my strategies every quarter based on what the market's doing. Stay connected with other automated traders. I'm in 3 different Discord groups where we share ideas and help each other fix problems. The community support really helps. Don't be afraid to try new ideas. I test 2 or 3 new strategies every month on demo accounts. Most fail, but when one works, it's worth all the effort. Quick recap and next steps. Remember, automated trading isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. It's about building a reliable system that makes consistent profits while you live your life. Drop a comment below if you have questions. I can't share my exact strategies, but I'm happy to point you in the right direction and help you avoid the mistakes I made. Next time, I'll show you exactly how to set up your first trading bot step by step. Hit subscribe so you don't miss it.